Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be talking about how to get silky soft and healthy hair in just a few days. If you're someone with dry and frizzy hair, then this video is for you. The first step to getting silky soft and healthy hair is to use a deep conditioning treatment. You can either use a store-bought conditioner or make one at home using natural ingredients like avocado, coconut oil, and honey. Another important tip is to avoid heat styling tools like straighteners and curling irons. These tools can be very damaging to your hair, causing it to become dry and brittle. Instead, let your hair air dry naturally or use a cool setting on your hair dryer. Using a silk pillowcase can also help to prevent damage to your hair while you sleep. Silk is a gentle material that won't tug or pull on your hair, reducing the risk of breakage and frizz. It can also help to prevent tangles and knots, leaving your hair looking and feeling silky soft. Your hair health is closely linked to your overall health, so it's important to eat a healthy diet if you want to get silky soft and healthy hair. Make sure to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, as well as lean protein sources like chicken and fish. You should also drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. Lastly, massaging your scalp can help to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. It can also help to distribute natural oils throughout your hair, leaving it soft and shiny. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for a few minutes each day. And there you have it, folks. These are some simple tips that you can follow to get silky soft and healthy hair in just a few days. With a little bit of effort, you can have the soft and shiny hair you have always wanted. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.